According to the old lunar calendar of Japan, February 3rd is the day before the first day of spring. To ward off illness and misfortune, Japanese families scatter roasted soybeans inside their homes and out of door to reject evil spirits while drawing good luck into their homes. In households across Japan, usually one parent puts on an oni mask to scare the kids. Kids throw beans at them to scare them away. Traditionally, this is also the day to eat Eho-Maki. Though there are various opinions, the origin of Eho-Maki culture was from the fishermen in Osaka region in the late 19th century praying for good business. Eho-Maki is a thick sushi roll which is believed to bring good fortune when eaten facing Eho. Eho is a good luck direction determined every year based on the year's zodiac sign. The goddess of lucky directions is believed to remain at the Eho during the year. There is a specific manner to eat Eho-Maki. Make a wish, be silent, and eat the roll uncut without interruption, all while facing the Eho direction. The eating of uncut roll all at once reflects the idea of forming good and long-lasting relationships. Be sure to prepare a glass of water alongside for your safety. The Eho-Maki fillings vary region by region, and there is no specific rule about what needs to be included, but commonly said to be 7 different ingredients, which came from the idea of 7 gods of fortune in Japanese mythology. Each god represents each fortune, such as success in business, wisdom and longevity, victory and prosperity. The traditional ingredients often include cucumber, egg omelette, roasted eel, and so on. But there are more varieties nowadays, like fried shrimp roll for kids, or there is even a rolled cake style, more as a dessert, which can be found in supermarkets and convenience stores. This video picks some classic ingredients to be demonstrated. Let's start with preparing shiitake mushroom, which takes time the most. Dried mushroom is an easy ingredient that you can use by rehydrating only the amount you want to prepare. Rinse them quickly and submerge them into a bowl of cold water to rehydrate uniformly and to extract the most of the flavor. If you are using whole shiitakes, it will take couple hours to half a day. The sliced material like this will be ready in about an hour. Put a piece of plastic wrap as a drop lid. If you can plan ahead, dip them in water the night before so they will be ready by the time when you start this recipe. After fully rehydrated, drain out the shiitake to separate from the liquid. The liquid contains rich amount of flavor and umami extracted from the shiitake, which can be used as dashi for miso soup or other seasoning. This video uses the liquid for the next step. Put the shiitake into a pot, pour extract dashi liquid, sake, soy sauce, mirin, and sugar. Heat to boil and cook until the soup evaporates and thickened. Remove from heat to cool down. Prepare a couple of black tiger prawns. Stretch them and skewer in between the belly meat and shells. Boil a pot of water with a pinch of salt. Cook the shrimps into it for 2 minutes. Drain out and cool down immediately. Peel the skin. You can also remove the tail here, since the whole shrimp will be inside the sushi roll. Do not forget to pull out the skewer. Cut cucumber. Divide in quarter size and slice off the seeds. Then cut in 2 to 3 pieces lengthwise. The pink one is seasoned fish flake or Sakura Denbu in Japanese. The yellow one is a shredded egg crepe. You can also use an egg omelette instead. Here I use the ready-made frozen eel. When you slice the roasted eel into sushi pieces, the easier way with precision is to cut while it's still half frozen, since the material gets tender and fragile once fully defrosted. Place a whole-size nori sheet on the rolling mat, rough side up. Spread about 200 grams of sushi rice onto it, remaining 1 inch of blank on top. Line up each ingredient on the lower half of the rice. Pick up the lower end of the seaweed to cover the entire ingredients, reaching the other side of the rice. Tighten the roll here and push forward to close. Make sure to search for this year's Eho direction for your best luck and happy year ahead.